Ceacht tracha hacht. The Anmol Kanealach. A lot of people think this is scary. It's not. The conditional mood. The thing that I like to say to describe the conditional is that the beginning of the words, this is a verb form, the beginning of the words look like the past tense, the middle of the word looks like the future tense. And then they have their own endings. So a lot of times there's an F in the middle, like in the future tense. But there's a lenition or a D apostrophe at the beginning, like the past tense. So if it looks like half of one and half of the other, it's the conditional. Okay? The conditional is used after da, D-A fada, which is the if, but probably not. So there's another if we'll see later. There are irregular forms for the irregular verbs, of course, and you have to memorize those as well. So for ta, it's da myoch, M-B-E-A-D-H. That's how I pronounce it, da myoch. Da myoch mavroga salach, glanhing ied. Now, the F in the middle is generally not pronounced, it's pronounced like an H, except the second person singular, herfa, you would put. That's when I pronounce it. Dolfa, you would drink. So let's go through now the irregular one for ta. Veng, double N goes to ng. Veng, I would be. Herhing, I would put. Dolhing, I would drink. So all the forms here. Veng, vefa, vyakshe, vyakshi, vemish, or vemish, vyakshiv, vedish. Herhing, herfa, herkshe, herkshi, herhimish, herkshiv, herhidish. Dolhing, dolfa, dolakshe, dolakshi, dolamish, dolakshiv, doladish. The negative is ni, like anything else that we use in this, most normal things. And the question is an. Same pair always goes together. Okay? So then there's lots of practice with those. Now, there are other verbs that are a little different. Remember how in the future we had the ones that had the FIDH or FAIDH endings? Those were the ones we just did. Now there's the ones that are like the OE endings in the future, and they have O sounds for their conditional form also. So Hjani, bought or buy, becomes hjanoing, I would buy. Airi becomes jairoing, I would get up. So here's the whole list. Hjanoing, hjanofa, hjanokshe, hjanoksi, hjanoimish, hjanokshiv, hjanoidish. Jairoing, jairofa, jairokshe, jairokshi, jairomish, jairokshiv, jairodish. And the negative is ni, and the question is an. Ni puts a lenition, well, we already have a lenition, and an puts an eclipsis if there's a consonant, right? And then there's just a few other vocabulary words to study in this chapter, but that's really the conditional, and they give you lots to practice with. Practice it. It's important, and you'll use it in a lot of different contexts going forward. But it takes a little time to get used to. But just remember, there's the two classes of verbs, like in the future tense. They're very similar. And like I said, the beginning looks like the past tense, the middle looks like the future tense, and then there's just the endings to remember. Have fun!